we are controlling the brightness of this RGB LED using a OLED display and 4 push buttons. Okay guys, the OLED is doing the job. Get for yourself an Arduino Nano 33 IoT, but you can use an Arduino Nano. Okay, I'm going to be using an RGB LED 4 pins module, a OLED display, four push buttons, just like that. Very simple. Now put the microcontroller onto the breadboard. And let me just fix that. Sorry, I'm drinking tea. A cup of tea, okay, guys. Okay, this is the SDA pin and the SCL pin for the OLED display. Don't worry, because I'm going to be showing you the diagram. Okay, so now I connect the OLED display to the Arduino Nano 33 IoT. Okay, ground and the 3.3 volt. This is to 3.3 volts. Now we have the RGB LED. RGB LED. The red pin is attached to pin 10, green pin 9, and blue pin to pin 6. Okay, these pins, okay, produce a PWM signal on the Arduino Nano 33 IoT. Okay guys, now this push button is attached to pin 2. Okay, pin 2. So this one to pin 3. Okay, okay, just like that. So okay, and the one to pin 4. Pin 4. Okay guys, so pin 4. The last one to pin 5. Okay, pin 5. Okay, welcome to TME education tutorial. Okay, it's done now. We let's connect the cable so we can upload like sketch. So the schematic, okay, the diagram, the code, okay, the code is well explained. Okay, you guys need to install this library. Okay, guys. The push buttons, the LEDs. Okay, so I'm going to put this code in the description of this video, so you can just download and try, okay, this beautiful project. Okay, so this is our sketch for today's video. Now go to tools to choose your board. Okay, for me is Arduino Nano 33 IoT. You can use Arduino Nano, okay, a normal Arduino. Then you hit the upload. Wait a few seconds. It depends upon your laptop, the performance of your laptop. Okay, if your laptop is fast, so the upload is going to be faster if you want. And of course, it also depends upon the microcontroller, I think. Okay, now testing time.